Well guys, it's time for another unboxing video. Today we have the Ace Pro 2 GoPro camera. This isn't a GoPro, this is Ace Pro 2 done by Insta360. So this is going to be an unboxing video. As you can see, I haven't even checked it out myself. I'm going to show you guys in this camera here a little bit of a closer up of what's in the box and what you're going to get for this. I went ahead with the Creator Bundle. So this comes with extra batteries, tripod, and a couple other things, but we'll get into it when I unbox this. So let's go ahead and open it up. Very excited for this one, actually. Alright, how do you get in here? Just like so, I guess. Come on, drop down. They make it so difficult to get into these boxes. So just a quick background, this guy is supposedly able to shoot in 8K resolution, which is going to be awesome for really clear videos. If you guys want to check out one of the videos I did recently here of some hummingbirds around my house, that was done with this camera over here, which is a GoPro Hero 7. It's quite an older unit, so I'm really hoping to upgrade with this camera here. So we're getting the first look here into the box. I'll show you guys here. And so what do you all get here in the box? Well, first thing you get, selfie stick tripod. Extends out, you got your selfie stick. It's even got a remote on it for on and off, which is really nice. You get your charging bank. Like I said, this is the Creator Bundle, so it came with 3 batteries. So there's your charging dock, and here are your batteries. It's very easy to get extra batteries for these, but these are supposed to last for 120 minutes of shooting. So that's going to be really nice. Here is the camera. About the same size as a GoPro, a little bit bigger. As you guys can see, the aperture on here is a lot bigger. The reason I went with this camera was strictly for low light filming. So that's kind of cool. The other reason I went with this, being a Creator Bundle, is the back screen, as most cameras are, touchscreen, which is really nice. But this one has a neat feature that you can flip up the screen, as you guys can see there. So if you're recording like we are right now, you can see what's happening in this screen. So that is really, really cool. And in here, yep, you got your micro SD card, which you will have to buy separately. I went ahead and ordered one. Plug in regular C-type charger. Just like so. Over here, this is where your batteries go. Battery slides in. Very nice. Everything is waterproof. This guy is waterproof without its case, so that's really awesome. Over here, the little accessory box. What do we got in the accessory box? Okay, we have the mount. So this is just like any standard GoPro mount. It'll click into any GoPros. And this guy, if I'm not mistaken, let's remove this little piece of paper down here. Come on. I don't really want to pull off that back piece just yet because I don't have the protective covers. There we go. So from what I understand, this guy, yes, it is magnet. And there you go. It just clicks into there. Magnetized, which is really nice and handy. Then it's just 2 pinch points to take it off. There you go. Magnetized on. You guys can see in this camera. It's just magnet on. Very, very nice. I really, really like that. So what else do we get in here? We get a lens cover for around the aperture, which, as you can see, it is a bigger aperture, so this will definitely come in handy. It also comes with this is a guard that goes over the microphone. It's supposed to diffuse wind noise, so that'll be really handy for outdoor filming. Here we got, what else we got in here? O-rings, gaskets. So if your gasket starts to go bad from opening and closing, these are what stop water from coming in. Not really sure what this piece is for. I guess I'd have to read the book to figure that one out. What else do we get in a little box? Don't eat the gel packet. It looks tasty, just don't do it. The mount, the screw that would go through here and then connect to whatever mount you're using. Like I said, these are universal for most GoPros. It does come with a cable C to C connector for transferring data, or you can always just pop the card out, whatever you want to do there. What else do we get here in the box? And these are all the instruction manuals, and yep, they're all just instruction manuals. So if you want to read them, I probably should, but I'll do that later. The other thing that I do suggest you getting, and that is coming here hopefully in the next couple of days, is protective screen covers for here, here, and here, because this is a lot of glass. So yeah, this, like I said, here you go. This is the Ace Pro 2. Very nice little camera. Like I said, 8K. I believe it was, 60 frames per second, 8K filming. So yeah, a very, very nice little camera. But yeah, there you go. That is the Ace Pro 2 from Insta360. If you're looking to get this camera yourself, I'll have a link in the description below to my Amazon page where you can pick this up. I do get a little bit of a kickback from that, just to let you know. But yeah, if you guys got any questions or comments, let me know. Let me know if you've used this camera before. And hopefully here in the next little while, I'll get some footage with this and I'll do a review here a little bit later to let you know what I thought of this camera. As usual, thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember to like, follow, subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, shoot me a text or a message and leave some comments in the section below. And thanks for tuning in. See you again next time, Small Town Solutions.